guys, it's Wednesday and I've got a little project. I need to clean off this deck as quick as possible. I've got a contractor coming over and he's going to take some measurements and give us some ideas on what we can do to make this small deck just a little bit larger. Let's clean this deck off real quick.
The sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. 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 Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before
So this was a really quick clean. You can make even the junkiest, the most rundown deck at least look clean and decent. So I just threw the peppermint plants, one of the citronellas over here. I've got the herbs there out of the way. Put a plant there beside that little butterfly. Threw those right there, and now you can see that it looks a little better out here. At least you can see most of the little green carpet, and you can walk around and maybe we'll be able to get some measurements. Because right now my deck is my garden, or extension of my garden. For those that want to see an update on the garden, yeah, I moved these strawberry plants down here temporarily just so I could hide some of the junk. But that's how everything's looking. I need to add my cages for my tomatoes and that cucumber before it attaches to my other plants. It's getting ready.
that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Hi you guys, so they're here to look at the deck.
Like I had called your husband 10-foot property line. So we want to make sure that you're within compliance.
Okay.
So your options are, of course, coming out, and then we were talking about wrapping it around. So come out and then wrap it up there, and you can go all the our ownership process.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so that would be an option. And then, as I was pointing out to him, the couple of pieces of siding that you would need, we would actually be taking off the bottom right here. Obviously stays, so we just cut the deck board out around together. Okay. So that was one idea, obviously, to do that. And you can decide where you want your stairs. Do you want your stairs to come out here? Do you want your stairs to come out?
I like that idea. And the stairs will be coming off this way instead of forward, taking up more of the kids' space. I like that. You have to be, the end of my deck has to be 10 feet away from my neighbor. So be creative and move the deck at an angle and kind of wrap around. So we'll see what happens. Just an FYI, you guys, before I make my infused waters, I also like to buy them from time to time, especially when they're on sale. This one in particular I got at Publix, but I have also seen these at a store called Five Below. So if you're close to a Five Below, I think they sell them for about $1. So if you're into infused waters and sometimes you just don't feel like making them, but you can catch these on sale and purchase them. I think they're buy one, get one free from time to time at Publix. But just wanted to let you know I also drink these. So I've got everything in that I wanted to add, all my fruits. I've got strawberries, blueberries, lemons, cucumbers, and then I'm gonna run outside and grab some mint to add to these and give it just a hint of mint taste. But those are the infused waters. I'll let these infuse for at least about 4 to 5 hours if I want to drink out of them today, but I'll probably just wait and start drinking them tomorrow, so I'll let them infuse overnight. So let's grab us a little mint. Wash my mint off. Place it into my containers. There you have it, infused waters. Gonna let them sit overnight, and they look really, really good. And this is all you're gonna need for this quick, easy meal. And you can always get different flavors of the Uncle Ben's. I get the garden vegetables sometimes. There's different kinds of the P.F. Chang frozen meals. You can switch it up. I do the honey chicken because it's not spicy because my kids have to eat it, but they've got a General's chicken that's spicy that's really good. And you can get any brand of your favorite stir fry. So that's just the one I had in my freezer, and that's the one I'm gonna use. So sometimes I switch it up, but basically some form of this and you'll have a quick, easy meal in no time. So I'm gonna start off by putting the rice in the microwave and just follow the instructions for that. Meanwhile, I'm gonna have my honey chicken in the skillet going, and I will add the deluxe stir fry as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed this quick little 10-minute meal. I'll see you guys next time.